welcome back. So I haven't spoken with you guys in ages and I'm really sorry. So this for me is just kind of trying to capture a bit of my life. I will explain at a later point why I kind of haven't made as many videos, but I'm traveling quite a lot now and I wanted to kind of take you along with me. So today we're actually in Bruges and I'm just going to kind of give you a tour of the city and then like maybe see some beers and just to see what happens really. But I will explain everything about like the channel and why you've not seen many videos in like just a minute. Let's do this. Whoa. Now in like the main square, which is absolutely, I mean it's pretty big, but there's just like a hive of activity. There's so much going on. There's like horses running through, bikes going through, like you do well to not get run over, but it's absolutely stunning. Oh, look at that. And from what I can tell, this is kind of like the main reference point for most of the city. Again, about to get run over, which is absolutely awesome. But I think, yeah, we're just going to go and explore a bit more, see what's going on, check out some of the kind of history of the place, and then go have a beer. Okay, so on our way to a bar which basically has over 400 beers, which, I mean, that's more than a year if you had one a day. Found it! 400 beers. Madness. I don't know whether I can actually film in here. So I'm just going to film and then wait to be told off. I think that's my plan. And I'll try and give you a view of what it looks like. Oh my word. It's like a huge, actually I'll show you. The largest bar. Oh my god, it just keeps on going. Beer everywhere. Beer, 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 beer. It's like Christmas. There's actually a beer menu as well, look at this. Oh my word. Oh, that's Dutch. I'm going to take some time to work this out and then come back. So these are all the dark beers, like a page of the dark beers. And these are kind of like special beers, blondes, wheat beers, kind of get slightly lighter. And then you keep going through. There's so many. And then you get to these are kind of, again, another type of beer. No idea what the difference is. No idea. There seems to be a Trappist beer, which is probably one that I'll go for. Oh my god. More blonde beers, wheat beers, honey beers, they sound amazing. Fruit beers. No idea. So I've gone for 4 because it's just, why wouldn't you? This is cherry one, this isn't, this isn't, and this isn't. I think this is the blonde one, which is the one that's slightly different to what I'd normally do. This is perhaps my favourite one, served in a horn. The beers itself don't taste so great, but the actual product itself, look, it's always cool to drink a beer from a horn. That's my, like, when do you ever drink a beer and then from a horn and go back? You're never going to go back from that, are you? You're never going to drink from a beer horn and go back to drinking from a can. It's so bright and I am so drunk. Good job, you. So we've tried quite a few beers, like 5 or 6, and now, I mean a little bit tipsy, but now going to try and just explore the city a bit more and see what Bruges is about. Literally bikes everywhere and they absolutely take the priority over everything else. So you'll just kind of be walking along and thinking, oh yeah, this is fine, like this now. I'm just gonna get floored. Beer shop, it's like the largest beer shop I've ever seen. Just to give you like a quick idea, literally so many beers. It's everywhere, like you couldn't even, like, it's like a whiskey section over there. This is what's mental, it's hundreds. Take a look down here, look, walking, still beer, still beer, still beer, still beer, still beer, still beer, like everywhere. Bought way too much beer in there. Oh, it's bright out as well. It's a whole bag's worth of stuff. It's huge. But we're going to do a blind taste test when we get back, so I might vlog that. Let me know if it's interesting. I don't think it is, which is why I'm not going to do a video. But if you do think it'd be interesting, we basically got like 12 different beers, and we're gonna now try them at some point and just do it blind, and then we'll probably get someone famous involved as well. But let me know if you want to see that. If not, tell me as well. And now we're gonna carry on exploring, probably get some chocolate. So shop 2, the chocolate shop. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at this. This is brilliant. It's like a fudge thing over here. Wow, look at this chocolate counter. It keeps going. Incredible, it's everywhere. Oh my god, there's more along here. Look. I just can keep going. It's chocolate everywhere. Wow. This is like the best day. So the same again really. I bought loads of stuff. It's just, it's a beautiful city, but I could just spend way too much money here. But it is amazing. Take a minute, just the most vomit-inducing height. Oh, I can't even. It's too much. Beautiful, but bleh. And again, I'm on the other side of it now. Firstly, that's a great view. That's a terrible door. Who invented that door was sacked or pushed out of it. Another view, and then a clock. Just enormous. Okay, let's just take another minute. We've noticed that that door is not central. It needs to be like there. That's disgusting. I can't exist knowing that that exists at the same time as me. I think I would personally pay, I think, just to get that just moved just like there. Oh, I can't even deal with it. Okay, so that was pretty much Bruges in a really quick video. It's really different to the content I normally make, so let me know whether you liked it or not. I'll explain the car thing at another point, but I just wanted to try something a bit different, and I've got loads of travel coming up, so I'll do this again if I can. I'm going to Pebble Beach very soon. So just let me know whether it's something you like or not. I can change it. I just wanted to kind of bring you with me on this because I realised I haven't vlogged in a while and I wanted to kind of catch up with you guys. Again, let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe. Go subscribe now. And I will see you in Pebble Beach, I think. See you soon. Bye.